What is fear of height is known as? Fear of extremities, fear of height is known as what, beta? That is going to be your acrophobia. Fear of height is known as what? Acrophobia. What is this mesophobia? Mesophobia is the fear of contamination. Fear of contamination. Fear of contamination is known as what? Mesophobia. Nyctophobia is what? Fear of darkness. Fear of darkness is known as what? Nyctophobia. Okay, and what is this agoraphobia? Agoraphobia is going to be fear of open or close. It can be open space, it can be closed space where escape is difficult. Space where escape is difficult. It can be an open place, it can be a closed place. Open मतलब बहुत बड़ा ground है, right? Escape is difficult. That is known as agoraphobia, right? What is claustrophobia? Claustrophobia. Now this is going to be the fear of, yes Kajal, that is going to be Andhera. So this is going to be fear of closed spaces. Closed spaces. That is going to be fear of closed spaces. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness will be there. Okay.